Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues with your Sony earbuds. So as you can see, in my case I tried to pair them, but that's the notification that they cannot communicate with my phone. And I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first of all, I can recommend you to remove them from this charging case, put them back and close this case for a few seconds. Next, go back from the settings, from the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and simply restart them. So power off and then power on Bluetooth. Right now, open this charging case, remove both earbuds, and then click and hold these two touch control panels for like 3 or 4 seconds. Right now we can release, click to pair new device, and as you can see they appear another time. So let's select them, accept the pairing, and as you can see right now we are connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.